everyone, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add two backdrops and how to insert music in Scratch. So let's start with the video. First, I will remove this sprite which is available on the stage. So to remove this sprite, I'm going to click on delete option and I will insert another new sprite. So before going to insert new sprite, first I will insert backdrop. So to insert backdrop, I will click on choose a backdrop and I will say choose a backdrop. After selecting choose a backdrop, here I am going to insert the backdrop called here. Let me check which backdrop I want to insert. Here I am going to choose a party backdrop. So I have inserted a party backdrop. And for this party backdrop, I want to do some changes. So for that, what will I do? I have to go to backdrop tab. I will click on backdrop tab and here I am going to do some changes here. So for this, I will choose the rectangle shape and here I am going to insert some different rectangle shapes. This is one, this is another, and here I am going to choose one more rectangle shape. And for this all, I am going to apply different colors. So first I will click on fill color tool option and here I am going to choose the colors from fill. First I will choose red color and here I am going to apply, and then I'm going to choose blue color and here I'm going to apply, and in the middle I will leave it like this. So this is the our first backdrop, and here this first backdrop I will remove it because that is blank one. So this is our first backdrop, and the color also I'm going to change. The background color of the party stage I'm going to change. So for this I will take some light green color here. And then I will right click on this backdrop and I will say duplicate. And I'm going to insert another second backdrop for this party 2. It is named as party 2. And here I'm going to just change the color. So first I will take the color for this as pink. For the first backdrop, I'm going to change the color as pink. And then for the second one, I will choose some different color, say red. Here I will choose red, and for the third rectangle, I am going to choose some different color, say green. Okay, so here I am going to choose the different colors for this green. Okay, so and for this so for the background color, for the second backdrop, I am going to choose some light color. So here I am selecting some green, in green color only, some light color. So I will say pick color, the same color we'll choose, and for this we'll make little more light. So I think this is fine, right? So like this, this is our party 1 backdrop and this is party 2 backdrop. So let's try for the code now. I will click on code. And for this backdrop, we have to give the code. And in code, I will say events when flag is clicked. And then in looks, I will say next backdrop. And in control, I will say forever and wait for 0.2 seconds. So 0.2 seconds. So if you will not give this wait, what will happen? I will show you what happens if you will not give this wait option. So just see how it is changing the backdrop. Two backdrops are changing but very fast. So for this, to reduce the speed, we have to say wait for 0.2 seconds. Now you can see the difference. Now here we are going to insert the sprite. So how will you insert the sprite? To insert the sprite, we have to say choose a sprite and then we'll give this ballerina. I'm selecting this ballerina sprite, and I will place it in proper place here in the first one only, in first backdrop only we have taken this. Okay, now I'm going to choose another sprite along with this, and another dance sprite only, dancing one only will take. So here we are using 0.2 seconds. Okay, so after inserting 0.2 seconds, wait for 0.2 seconds, just see this, it looks like this. Now we need to give the code for the second sprite. So just click on the second sprite, and same way you have to say in events when flag is clicked, and in control forever, and in looks next costume, and again in control we have to say wait for 0.2 seconds. Okay, so this is the way we have given the code for both the sprites. Now how to insert music for this? So to insert music we need to click on Sounds tab. In Sounds tab we have the option called choose a sound. Here in the left corner you all can see here we have the option called choose a sound. So in choose a sound, just click on choose a sound, and here in search whichever music you want. Whichever music you want, you need to type the name for the music. So say suppose I want to insert dance music. So just I will type dance here in search. So here you have different dance musics available. So here first I am selecting the first one. Let me play and check how is the music. So it looks better. So I will take the first one only. I will just click on it. So as soon as you click on it, your music will be inserted here. So you can play and check. So if you want little slow, you can click on slower. If you want little fast, you can click on faster. So this is a little more fast. If you want faster, you can choose this one. Now we have to insert the code for this. So to insert code, we need to go back to the code. And here in this code, I'm going to insert the code for the sound. So just you need to click on sound block here. Click on sound block, and you have to choose the option called play sound. Play sound, and whatever sound music you have inserted, you can see the name of that music here, dance around. So just you need to click on dance around, and here in control, in events, I will say when flag is clicked, and in control I will say forever. Now your coding is done for this music also. Now you can say play and check. If you want to check in full screen mode, just click on full screen. So I hope it's clear. You all understood how to insert music and how to use the two backdrops. Please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you for watching my video.